At this point, can work and pitney. This is the largest and the Khorii boat. Rum in there?
Yeah, man.
So you know, I got gym and anything there.
Yeah, but today is a cheat day.
Cheat?
Yes.
Yeah, so you're a cheater. Half a cheat. Khorii Rhymez. Yes, you're having a car. It is unnecessary things just pop up. Unnecessarily just 20,000. And not for a week, a month, me change battery, I buy brake pad. Yo, the amount of thing me do that, like car. At this point, car worse than pitney. But yeah, remember if you subscribe, like, share the video, comment, let me know what we can do for minimize the car spending. I can't manage somewhere. And I told me I'm going to realize the front tire them watching. Read that. And brake pad bumper. What's that? Get the brake pad. Get it. Well, one change in a row. Alright. Man, bro. Battery, 2 front tire, brake pad. Car or pitney, which one costs more? Let's see what me just start YouTube. Make sure you follow me Instagram, Facebook, TikTok at Khorii Rhymez. Up on the screen. See? Make sure you follow them page. Subscribe to the YouTube page. Get the subscribe up, you see me? Watch the whole video, because last part we are going to have a surprise. Right? Watch the video. Pre-war go on. Today we are going to Kingston. When I'm bridging them, jump off a Gelding truck left with. You see me? I mean, I'm Tevin there roll. When I'm bridging them, jump off a Gelding truck left with. So, christening and we are go. You see me? So we just go to Kingston now. We'll come back over later too. See some, you're not going to see some of my other bridging them. I just vibe still. We just have vlog and see what I go on. See? I forgot to say, I don't have gas. I forgot to buy some gas. I turn back to some gas. What am I tell you? Anyways, car or pitney, which one more expensive? Comment and tell me below. Car or pitney? If you say pitney, I forgot to tell me why pitney costs more than cars. I can't know about. If you say car, we have to validate it because some people have pitney, I can say a pitney. You see me? So make sure you comment and tell me which one costs more or which one are more headache. You see, once you broke one of these, I done it. Anytime you broke them, man, you just gone. Alright, so we have a serious question. Zine, I want to know, who do you think more respected? Police or soldier? Tevin, what do you think?
Soldier. I feel like a soldier.
Soldier? But you know, police, they run even more than soldier, you know. I do. I can't say if they do more work or not. You see me? But why is it that you don't consider a soldier than a police? We're supposed to serve and protect. I'm going to tell you honestly, I'm not really 100% verse or sure where soldiers do exactly. I honestly don't know. I know say when things get serious, the soldier them forward. They will struggle with the camera. So we soon buy the DJI one, no worries. But you know what I say, yo? When things get serious, soldier have to show up too. You see me? But is it that because police, kind of more common and involved in a more rare, make people soldiers as the more up there, or I saw it stay in a society itself, like I saw it.
Well, people respect power, and I believe so because if the soldier then use more brute force, people give them more respect than police. So you don't know, say you always see people like cuss with police and us. Nobody cuss with soldier, you know.
A good point you're making, but you know, say you have some special force police where and a ticket and give out and anything there. Them come in for special operations and stuff.
Yeah, we have them one that like what do you call them again? Special
Quick response.
Yeah. Then ask a question and they just come out and do things. Yeah, but I really saw the soldier them moves, you know. And then they have more power. I guess them use more force. Military police and all them stuff.
You know, on the whole heap of bridging, we have a ton police and soldier and like when they're high school, imagine say them man you go turn out to them thing and like and some man used to get trouble and blow out. You see me?
Yeah, because the force a different discipline place.
Bro, I see some man used to get trouble and you see turn police and I say blow up. I see some of them turn teacher, some of them you never know with life, dog. I rate that too. I rate say you have different. Me and my friend that talk about this one day. You have different segments of life. As in, you can there now, and nothing go on really. You just go through, and then the next time there now and nothing go on really, and then the next time you get a breakthrough, you get a work of foreign, you go and start a whole new life. You can do a foreign and forward down, and it's a whole different life you live from when you do up so. Like you have different, like life long, if you live long enough. Life have different segments, different episodes, different stages, bro. You see me? And you see when I think to we always happen to enough away, we always did that and I say, yo boy, me at this year whole I'm not reach now yet, I'm not achieve this yet and this. More like reach hard, bro, when I realize yo, and everybody journey are the same, People might start out quick and we might start out late, but at the end of the day, we start same way. For me. Yeah, who the hell? Who that thinks me a ton content creator? Like, who saw that? Who saw that? Anyways, we soon when we reach one junction or when we reach a town. Remember, just subscribe, like a thing. You see me? Share, send it to somebody, comment, anything you feel like though. Follow my page them on IG and TikTok and check out the poems. If you don't know who I am, my name is Khorii Rhymez. I do poetic content. Some funny, some cultural, some very entertaining. Check them out. Like it if you don't like them. I put some shots on YouTube so you can check out them there as well. It's when you see cow when they don't blow in a hand, they retaliate. You know, so that actually in a driving book.
I know. Run through water. This is one of Jamaica's biggest problem, you know.
Really?
Yes.
Look who there. Look who there. Yo, teacher. Yo, this man is the best maths teacher ever. I tell you, man do a tutor class, 100% pass. Can't say me name say it. You see me? Oh yeah. Somebody jump off a Gelding truck and, each of we take a turn, will the baby see if we can jump off too. They are with me G them. They are with me G them, you see me?
Because
every man feeling a white, I don't know where him a in black and him a blue, but it's alright. Nah, cause them. Bless up baby father. Bless up the baby father. Alright, so bless up the baby father.
One blessing.
Bless up the baby father.
Big up yourself.
That is it.
More life, more strength, and guidance to you and the youth. Alright?
Alright.
Bless up.
Baby father, big up yourself. You don't know we're there for you. You see me? Bless up the baby father, quick and fast.
big up yourself, bro, G. We're there every day.
Aye.
Anytime around.
Yo, blessings and more blessings from me.
Aye.
See?
you have to say for your baby father?
Baby father. Don't know. One teach, one blood.
And a you next.
Him next. No.
Him next,
We don't know who next is. No, I'm pressure your baby thing it cause she care alone I cost so much money. What you talk about? No sir, that's too quick. One they have experience so they can tell you how it go. Give you knowledge now and then you must say yo, I must say when I phone time X, Y, Z. We want them to have experience so we can go last.
We have a different opinion.
I know you know. I'm between the two of them.
Ooh. Alright.
Yeah, man. Don't say the man. The two
Hold
of
on.
them.
Stop. Before birthday, I come first. No? You born before me. On the 23rd.
Are you feel bad?
Yeah. Him born the 20th or 23rd.
I 2030 man.
23rd. You born the 25th. And the first.
Even the 23rd, 22nd.
22nd.
Are you next?
I am next.
Alphabetical order.
I am. No, but me a Smith.
Hold on, I'm here Derby. I'm
Derby.
here. No, reverse.
So, anyway, take it as me last.
Yeah. Hello, go on. If I know PZ next, a Philip. If I know Philip, a Raman. A Raman, if I know Raman, a Tevin. But me know no mate. Left it to JJ.
Exactly.
JJ, yeah. Let's leave it to JJ and done. Jubi na be there. I mean, have a child.
We can go again.
You want Jubi have two before you have one?
Man like Joby.
Man, what this? Them man are engineer for Gelding truck.
I'm driving.
Boys, the man them hold a conversation and say who next after a Gelding truck and a you nominating a bro. The team come together and nominate you family.
He says it's a piece of the outer country.
He's gone out of country with film being, so you know, say I'm next.
Okay, so we are nominating you nominate PZ. What am I tell you?
So I'm alone priority.
Oh yeah.
No man, come on.
Where's the before 28 now?
No man, you have to shoot off at it.
Man, so after 28 we see his chance low.
Yo, something forward and win. Boys, first of all, you need to remember, say, your weight, your chance of going very fast.
Okay, that's it.
Your weight, your chance of going faster.
Where's the bat?
Yeah, man, faster. Hurry up, father.
You have a chance.
Yeah, man, just styling.
No, you know my PZ start got gym.
Yo, me tell you him next.
Yeah, man, he's just styling.
You might get in life in order for two, man.
Him next, believe me.
Hey, what you say? A marathon.
Yo, come look at Khorii.
Vice.
Khorii.
Yeah.
Come look here.
Send blessings to the baby father.
Send blessings to you, father.
Yo, we got yourself bless up. I enjoy it.
Read this.
Just make it more sight. Memories there for make life there for live. Just continue to grow. And yeah man, Khorii and PZ into the ball game next year.
Hi, Mike Top work. You cannot call on my name on that. You know, see Mike here cost me one leap. Remember to subscribe and comment below and tell me which one costs more, baby or car. Man try broke man car earlier this year, you know.
Top.
Glass, bonnet, one bag of sit. Nobody cry, stop, nobody hush my youth. Jesus.
Take out that camera.
Take a moment.
Take out that camera.
Jaja, yo, bye, say more. Send that.
Yo, Jojo. Something called JJ?
JJ, go to that. I come here, say, we call
No,
him.
man, JJ said we call him Jojo.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir, we there. Yes, sir, we there right now. Me no busy boy, you know. Yes, sir, we there right now. I will have vibes. You see me? You see that thing, yeah? Cherry. The ear say, if you can't
Tie with the tongue.
you can't do it. Yeah. What's here?
Him bad from
Yeah,
early.
After my name, I pass you.
Case by Candy. Check them out. Case by Candy. Me rate it. Me have to show them out. Case by Candy. Then send me this. And the bad. Underrated, huh? Remember to subscribe to your page same way. Yeah, Philip there blocks. You have the camera.
Aliens.
Aye.
Subscribe always.
My boy over here saying I'm soup.
Soup, bad.
It's a whole man drink soup, you know. Eh.
Soup,
So where this name? Where this name?
red pea soup.
Where this name?
Blue lagoon.
Rum in there?
Yeah, man.
So you know got gym and anything there. What?
But today is a cheat day.
Cheat?
Yes.
Yeah, so you're a cheater.
Yes.
Today, alone.
Only
Okay.
on Saturdays.
I'm a bro. I'm a bro. What's your name?
Tiana.
Big up Tiana over here, sir. Tell everybody over Teachfield to follow your page and subscribe. Be a tick.
Like, subscribe, leave a comment.
Here. Alright. No.
Alright, so now
This is the large rice and the curry goat. Right? This is the large rice. I think it will come out larger than me expect. You know? How much can I actually want to cup of it? Fully plate though. Now waste money come out. So, and then this is the curry goat. Buy small curry goat because the medium one of it cheap. What are you giving any of this?
Dry.
No?
Give it eye bottom.
Hey man, I never need no more than this.
True.
Why you-
No?
Hmm?
It's not horrible in there.
Look so.
Hey, move the plate for your shirt.
Don't know any. A while ago, a lady addressed me as Mr. Rhymes. Mr. Rhymes. Only can chat to me. I'm good.
You're back.
Yeah, me there.
The last video, Mr. Panama. No,
I was.
you say?
Yeah. I'm going
What's the name for
to
like?
learn some Spanish. Hey, man. I big up on yourself. Alright, cool. Anyways. The lady around us just call me Mr. Rhymes and they can't chat to me. Mr. Rhymes, you know, if I address me correctly.
Sir Ryan.
Easy now. What is that?
Blue Lagoon.
How was it?
Strong. Very strong.
Very strong.
And
Food?
some festival.
Yeah.
Never like them. I gave them 0 out of 10.
See so good.
Yeah, man, bad. You get piece of pigtail in it too.
Alright.
Yeah.
Fire!
Oh, yeah.
All the
Nice.
wings.
Never like it because of just one flavor.
Just one straight
Yeah,
flavor.
yeah.
Sweet, sour, pepper.
A mixture of both sweet and pepper, but
A bit of pepper in there. A bit. I want some pepper. Me not like pepper, so me never mind the wings. It tastes like jerk with sweet. Me never mind that. You see me, my boy didn't say want pepper.
you want some pepper.
But here, it come to the end of the day. I want to know. Remember to subscribe. Remember to like the video. And me see you next time. Boy, easy to buy clothes.